Well, this toolbar here at the bottom is for Zoom. I don't know if you can see it or not, but my main monitor pooped out yesterday, so I'm having to use one monitor. So anyway, that said, I'm using Home Designer Suite 2021 trial version. And I thought I'd just show you the general idea. I'm just going to draw a rectangle representing the room that you're trying to model. If I want the roof planes, see, auto-built roofs, let me just show you, explain this. You can see that it's a hip roof. Let's take an overview of this simple, you've probably seen this sort of thing before. Wait for the overview camera to initialize. Oh, I hit the wrong icon. But you see, it's a bunch of hip roofs. 1, 2, 3, 4 hip roofs. Okay. And if we look at this in a cross section, I don't think Suite's cross section camera is very good, but we'll take a look. I don't even see the icon. There it is. Yeah, it's almost worthless. I'm sorry. I'll use an isometric camera. You can see it's just a square. Now, if we go over here, I'm going to open the, I right-clicked on the screen. I'm going to open the room dialog box for this. Go to the Structure tab. You can turn the flat ceiling off and then automatically get vaulted ceilings. See? I don't know if you can see that all that well. Yeah, I'm going to go to, oh, is that Glass House or Technical? I just want to show a line. Well, oh, never mind. I'm not used to using Suite. But anyway, you can see you've got a vaulted ceiling. All right. So what I'm going to do is make this a little bit longer. And I'm going to take this wall and open it and go to the Roof tab of the Wall Specification dialog and tell it to have a gable wall there. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. So I have a nice symmetric vaulted gable type roof, which is what your sketch was showing. And we'll stand over here under the center of the ridge and look up that way in the room. See? The only thing wrong here is that the sides are, let's open the dialog box. I'm right clicking to do that. And the ceiling's set to, 9 feet. Well, your drawing shows 4 feet, so I'm going to change that value to 48. And now we're closer to what your drawing shows. Now, the other thing is, I'm going to open the dialog box in this. See, the flat ceiling you set to 48 inches. 48 inches. Now I'm going to set, okay. Now I have to go to build roof. Yeah. I'm going to open this dialog and uncheck auto rebuild roofs. So now these roof planes will stay in place, but I can open the dialog box and set the ceiling height from, now that I've got the roofs in place, I'll change it to 90 inches. Oh, and I left out a step. I have to turn the flat ceiling on, flat ceiling over this room. And now we have what you were sketching out, 48 inches here, 90 inches here. So the software in and of itself is not intelligent. It's intelligently made, but it takes a trained, competent person knowing where the settings are. And well, like I just displayed here, after 25 years, I ought to know something about the software. And I've just demonstrated that, if you want this condition in Suite, you have to set it up with the settings that I've shown. And this works. Now, the outside of this construct, I don't want to see. I want to see, yeah, there we go. It's just a plain old gable roof. Now, I just created one story. This is not a Cape Cod story and a half kind of thing. Just showing you how you get that effect. And with Suite, you can't just click on the roof plane and move them around like you can in Pro and in cheap Premiere. So you have to get the settings exactly right. Otherwise, you're never going to get the exact product that you need and want. So that's something for you to understand and go forward with. Now, I hope this helps you. And whether it does or not, have a great day. Thank you.